Hey there, car fans! Today, we're diving into a showdown of epic car proportions. The 2025 Toyota Camry versus the 2025 Honda Civic. These two have been duking it out for years, but which one's the champ of your driveway? Is it the hybrid-packed, touchy Toyota Camry or the sporty, versatile Honda Civic? Stick around as we break it all down. Performance, efficiency, features, you name it. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. Let's roll! The Camry's in its 9th generation for 2025 with a fancy new look, a comfier cabin, and all hybrid powertrains. Toyota's saying, hey, gas guzzlers, take a hike! Meanwhile, the Civic's over here flexing a few new cosmetic updates, snazzier headlights, and a sharper bumper to stand out in traffic. And oh, they've added the Civic Hybrid to the mix. Fancy! The 2025 Toyota Camry shows off with hybrid power, a 2.5-liter engine serving up to 125 horses, or 232 if you spring for all-wheel drive. With a combined MPG of 44,251, it's sipping fuel like it's fine wine. Prices start at $28,400 and climb to $36,125, giving you efficient, comfortable, and connected vibes. The Honda Civic comes packing options. A 2.0-liter Inlander with 150 ponies, a turbocharged 2.0-liter with 200 horses, and even a hybrid at 200 horsepower. But it's front-wheel drive only, with a combined MPG of 31 to 48 and prices from $24,250 to $30,000 to $950. The Civic is all about sporty fun without breaking the bank. The Camry's got the bells and whistles, ventilated front seats, a bigger maximum 12.3-inch digital cluster, and 12.3-inch infotainment screen that'll make you feel like a tech wizard. Plus standard wireless charging, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay wireless phone integration. It's practically your car's version of a smartphone. But the Camry's not perfect. It's bigger on the outside, yet barely roomier than the Civic inside. The audio system taps out at 9 JBL speakers compared to the Civic's 12 Bose ones. And where's the remote start, Toyota? Come on! The Civic brings the versatility, hatchback, anyone, and ESI trim with a manual transmission. Chef's kiss! It's also got cool features like a multi-angle rear-view camera and traffic jam assist. Rear seat heater ducts in the hatchback. Cozy vibes! Still, the Civic's MPG isn't as jaw-dropping as the Camry's, even with its hybrid trim. And let's be real, its engines can't keep up with the Camry's hybrids. Plus, no all-wheel drive. What gives? The 2025 Toyota Camry is perfect for anyone wanting a hybrid sedan that's all about efficiency and modern tech, with all-wheel drive to tackle tricky weather. But it could have gone bigger on interior space and snuck in a few extra standard features. The 2025 Honda Civic, on the other hand, is a blast for drivers who want options, a hatchback, sporty trims, and fun tech. It's practical and stylish, but its engines don't quite match the Camry hybrids, and the lack of all-wheel drive might leave you wanting more. Which sedan's winning you over? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Thanks for watching.